It's impossible. I think this little bit I'm going to leave till later. Okay. See, I couldn't feed Charlie any sausage. There you go. There's another one. Always this white car with a dog cage in the back. So they obviously have a dog, but they obviously hate birds. God, how often do I see that? That is just unbelievable. So, my poor little ravens are out of luck again. Maybe tonight they'll get something. But you can see that was a white SUV Volkswagen. God, I gotta get the license plate to that car so I can broadcast it. And then someone there on YouTube can look it up. I'll have to go on and see if I can get it. I think you have to pay some money, but you can get the owner's name. I just have to get the license plate number, and they're driving here too quickly for me to do that. So, but yeah, there's our little sparrows over there in the corner, enjoying their little combination of seeds and nuts made just for small birds. I buy them special seed for them. And these are my little seagulls. Well, I have to get going. I gotta take my husband to dialysis, and so don't want him to be late. Recently we've been very late, almost every time. But Charlie got something. Very hard for him to eat, but they did get something. See, the seagulls think that I'm going to put something on the electrical box, so I'm not doing that. Do not want to bring them across the street. Do not want to do that. My car is in the shop, and we're renting a car right now from the dealership. It's a very good rate, 50 francs a day. That's very cheap for here. A little over $50. That's cheap for here. That's a very good rate, and I'm very grateful for that. So I just want to say, other than a couple of cars beeping their horns, I didn't get, maybe because we're earlier and people are having lunch, I don't know. Or people are just too busy getting ready for Christmas. That could be it too. So, all in all, it was a good feeding. This is a DC Danton Crow Crusader, over and out.